Regulators! Mount up!
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're out at the Rshack Cook Shack and got a little mail. We're going to open it up here. Got a little package all the way from Lee Mars, hope I'm saying that right, Kent, Iowa. Package from Daddy Dutch BBQ and Cuisine. Should open it up here and see what we got. Oh yeah. Some Daddy Dutch BBQ Sweet Heat Rub. We're gonna give this a try. Let's have a smell of it first. Gotta pop the little cover off. That smells really, really good. So anyhow, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do up some party wings again. Now I just did a video on how I did them. I'll have a link up there or over there, but I'll be down in the description if you want to see how I do this. Watch that video. I'm going to do it basically the same way, except we're going to be using the sweet heat. And we're going to put a little sweet heat on at the end too. And then we're going to sample it. Got the Weber kettle back there all fired up, coming up to temp. Let's get into this cook. Okay, our wings are done here, and they were seasoned with the sweet heat from Daddy Dutch BBQ. Now Kent, he grows his own peppers. He roasts them and then he grinds them up.
Attaboy, Kent.
Oh, I didn't tell you, I have a special guest here. Kent knows his channel real well. He knows
Hey,
Gary
buddy.
from GT Barbecue and Cuisine. Now he came over because he could smell the wings from his house
I could.
and wanted to come over and try this. The main reason is because I'll probably have to go around behind and cry after I try one of these. Whereas Gary, he can handle the heat.
Oh, are these spicy?
They're supposed to be spicy.
Oh, okay.
So,
Oh, Kent, this is your, I haven't tried your rub yet.
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Got to cool down my throat first.
Well, Nancy and I would like you to know.
We're going to try a wing.
Nicely cooked.
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
not
there's
getting
the heat.
I'm not getting too much.
Well, see, I have a very,
Sensitive palate.
you know, it's very, what's the word? Sophisticated. I can pick up on things. And,
Oh, it's delicious.
yeah, so it's burning my lips a little bit. But
Ken, it's not that bad. It's not that hot. I mean, you've got a lot of flavor. There's a lot of definite profile flavors in there. I'm not getting. Oh, there's a yeah.
well, it's not dropping me on the floor, so you know, that's good. It's the right amount of heat.
I'm not sure I can tell.
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh man, nice work, buddy.
Yeah, that's a good seasoning. You saw how I did that with the cornstarch, mixed it in with the cornstarch, and then I sprinkled a little more on top of it.
The flavor.
Yeah, there's a lot of flavor.
I like
in those.
this. This is perfect for chicken. I don't know. It's probably good for other things too.
Yeah, you don't need to add any other sauce on this. You don't need to mix it up with anything. That's pretty good, just like that.
Skin's nice and crunchy.
Now you said you've done that cornstarch before?
Yeah,
like
I
that?
saw it on Malcolm Reed's How to Barbecue Right once. And yeah, you take the cornstarch and mix it with whatever rub, and it's supposed to give it more of a crispy, deep fried kind of a deal. And yeah, mine didn't really come out that the first time I'd ever tried it, and I'm pretty sure I did mine on a pellet grill. So, and that was the test, and supposedly you could make it come out more like that, but it was crunchier, but not like this.
Yeah, that's really good. Well, Ken, thank you for sending that over.
Thanks, brother.
It's really good. Even me, I like it.
Damn, that's good.
Yeah.
No, seriously.
And it was nice to have Gary come by and do a cameo taste test all the way from the west side of the river. I live on the east side up on the hill, so I have a better view.
He does have a better view. No doubt about it.
But this is really good, Kent. I'm not
Right on.
sure if Ken is actually going to start marketing this because, he grows his peppers, like I said, and everything, and it's a limited edition. Maybe he could market it as a limited edition.
Does everybody know Kent is Daddy Dutch BBQ?
Yeah, and I'll have a link to his channel and to Gary's, either, over here or down in the box for sure. But
Good
yeah.
stuff.
Like I say, thank you for stopping by. Gary, thank you for stopping by.
Grill on.
you
And never
enjoyed
forget, you can do this too.
You can do this too. Until next time, my friends.
Mm.
Damn.